Kung naghahanap ka ng 200Hz budget gaming monitor, meet the Kuri G2411P. Inside the box nandito yung base, stand, HDMI cable, and power adapter. Pwede mo tong i-mount dahil BESA mount supported at ang maganda dito, mabilis lang i-set up. Plus, hexagonal base, kaya mamamaximize mo yung space unlike traditional B-shape. However, hindi mo pwedeng adjust yung height, i-rotate, or swivel, so i-tilt lang yung magagawa mo dito. As for the ports, ito yung available. And regarding sa design, modern and aesthetic. Sa screen, 1080p resolution, perfect for 24-inch monitor, plus 200Hz refresh rate and 1ms response time kaya solid for FPS games. Also, IPS panel na din kaya ideal for gaming and content creation. Vibrant and accurate din yung color kaya naman sharp yung image. It also HDR400 for better visuals with FreeSync premium technology to reduce tearing and stuttering. Plus, meron siyang 8 scenario modes and iba pang options to set your own preferences. To share my experience, nagtest ako ng iba't ibang laro and masasabi ko na smooth yung performance, high contrast ratio, and maganda yung color quality.